Kia ora, and welcome to Calculations in Chemistry, the CHO2012 module. If you look at the Overview, Standards and Connections tab, the Overview again tells you the key ideas you're going to be learning in the lesson, hyperlinks to the actual lessons. The teacher marked assignment is the last lesson, which is where the teacher will be giving you feedback. If you look at the Standards tab, you'll see that the main standard is the 91161 standard, which is 4 credits. You do need a laboratory, so contact your teacher if that is an issue. If you can't get to a laboratory in any sense and we can't help you, you still need to do this module as well, because it does count. You need this knowledge for other standards as well. You should have already completed the CHO2011. The Connections tab tells you all the other standards this information will lead towards. So you'll see there's a lot of level 3 standards as well as 2 level 2 exam standards. There's also a bit of an overlap in balancing equations. You may have come across it, you should have come across it in the fundamental chemistry. And if you had no problems balancing, you can just skim and scan lesson 1. Otherwise, do it in more detail if you're not quite sure about how to balance. It's an math standard or maths module, so you do need some algebra. So ideally, you would have done some MCAT last year for level 1. If you turn to the first lesson, there's the What, How, and Resources tab. The What will tell you what you're learning for this lesson. Again, you've got the hyperlinked, which is great if you want to go straight to the revision or the teacher marked assignment or something like that, or the assessment task. We have quite a few worksheets that you can download and complete either by printing it and writing in by hand or by typing in directly. If you're typing in directly, if it's an interactive PDF, download it to your desktop. Don't just open it in your browser, because then the shortcuts won't work. If it's a Word document or an interactive PDF that's downloaded and saved to your desktop, to make a superscript, highlight your number and click on Control-Shift+, and that'll make it go up. Or if you want to make it go subscript and go down, you do Control equals. It's important that you follow chemistry conventions. The Resource tab is the periodic table. You will need to refer to this to find the molar masses to complete your calculations. So if you asked to do a calculation, go to the Resource tab to get the molar masses for the elements and then work out the molar masses for the substance. So the key ideas that you should know at the end of this module is the mole ratio. You must make sure you understand this concept. In the previous module, you looked at 1-step calculations. That's for achieve level. Now you're going to be looking at 2-step and 3-step. 2-step is for merit and 3-step calculations are for excellence. You'll learn the difference between concentration and amount, because a lot of students get confused with that. The equation C is equal to N over V, or N is equal to C times V. And at the end of this module, you'll be doing the first part of the assessment task for the 91161 standard. This is a closed book task, so you can't refer to other items. So all the best. Good luck.